I'm currently waiting for some potential positions here in Forex. Right now, I've just reached take profit in the USD yen pair. I'll walk you through what I saw trading here, starting top down on the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, you can see the current daily candle here traded below the candle of yesterday, taking out the sell side liquidity resting below that candle. When that happened, I went over to the hourly to see if I can gauge an entry point here. So when that price action traded below, we get a close here, or we get this price action here where there are this wick here comes out and wicks out this low here on this 1 hour candle. And if we come over here on the 5-minute, we can see price action come down, wick out that low, as I mentioned here, wicked out that low, and then price delivered here to the buy side. Here is the change in the state of delivery level. I was late to this trade, so I missed this entry here. Took a late entry up here. And then you can see price action just continued through and deliver here to the buy side. And my target, since the sell side liquidity below this candle had been swept, I was targeting the buy side liquidity here above the candle here, above yesterday's candle. And you can see that liquidity has been swept. That liquidity was also equal highs with a few days ago here. Have these relatively equal highs. So this price action took out all of the buy side liquidity resting up here. So now that liquidity has been swept out of the market, also price has traded into this bearish fair value gap here, or this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Today I've been experimenting with the success that I had yesterday with targeting pairs that break a daily level, or where the liquidity from a previous daily candle has been swept, whereas before I was using the 1 hour chart. So I noticed I had some success with that in previous trades, and now wanted to use that in what I was doing for today. If I go over to pound dollar from yesterday, so this was a trade that I had on from yesterday that finally went to take profit today. Still quite a bit of trade left on this, but I caught a good bit of the move here. So there's price action here on the daily chart, where yesterday in this candle here, price wicks up above the previous day candle and 2 days ago candle here. And when price does that, I drop down to the 1 hour chart to get a look at price action here. And then price action here starts to deliver here to the sell side. And then on the 5-minute chart, we get this price action where there's this wick here, where this buy side liquidity here is swept out. And then there's the change in the state of delivery level here. Take an entry here and pull back at that level, and am able to take the short trade here. With the buy side liquidity being swept out here, I target these relatively equal swing lows here in this liquidity area here, and I was able to take profit in that right here. You can see in this profit taking here during the London session, I'm able to take profit. And then currently looking for other opportunities here. For any reversals for today, and only looking at Forex currently. So Aussie dollar, nothing there. Euro dollar, no. Pound dollar, no. Still selling. I covered that new week opening gap there. New Zealand dollar, nothing here. Dollar CAD, still showing some buy side delivery, but there's a possibility for a reversal here on US CAD. It's just buy side here. So quite a bit of buy side liquidity has been taken out here. Actually here, we're actually in a bearish gap right now, or trading back into a bearish gap, and have just swept out here on US Swiss here. So this buy side liquidity has now been swept out here, and the price is currently inside a bearish fair value gap here. So if price were to redeliver here to the sell side, then I would look for this level right here for an entry, and then I would look to likely take an exit here at the low of this candle here, since that buy side of that candle has been swept out. But right now, dollar Swiss is looking the most favorable for a potential trade here, or reversal. Same thing here in a bearish gap. See this bearish gap? You can see this liquidity here has been taken. So there's the potential here for short. I tried a long earlier here, but was swept out of the market as price delivered to the buy side here, as it likely was just setting up to go short here. So 20, 36, 942. So right now it looks like the reversal may be setting up here, and dollar Canadian here. Oh, that's been swept. That's been swept. 135, 515. I'm on the target. I've got to set my limit here. showing that my stop is too tight, or is very tight here. Let's see. Let's see. 14, 13, it takes the dip there. Decide if my change in the state of delivery level is here or here. Close. Here. It's going to be very, very tight. This may be early, but it's showing me what I need to see, so take it. Okay. We'll see if price pulls back here. Gives me an entry. And see if the stop will hold. If an entry is given here. Still not ready on that Swiss pair yet. Alright, I'm going to let price settle here. If all goes well, I'll be able to enter a position and be able to hold here for this potential reversal. I'll be back this afternoon, and if all goes well, I'll still be in this, headed towards profit. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.